Hello, this is Eric with CompleteCleanTX.com. We're doing a small video just to show you a tile cleaning we're doing here in Spring Branch. And as you can see the difference on the area where we haven't done compared to where we have done. And I think get a better picture here so you can see the difference. Once again, this is Eric with Complete Clean. You can look us up. We offer many other services: marble, wood floor cleaning, carpet cleaning. Just go to CompleteCleanTX.com and we will beat any written estimate by at least 10%. So just give me a call. I'm an owner operator, so I'll always be able to offer you the best price in the industry, and also with the experience and the professionalism. Okay? Y'all have a good day. Once again, you can go to CompleteClean.com and you see the big difference. Thank you.